Hey guys, it's Ian from Optimize Your Marketing. In this video, we're going to be installing your Microsoft Clarity tag on your website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you can see, we're at Microsoft Clarity or clarity.microsoft.com. You can click this link in the description to do this, but simply put, you could just type in Microsoft Clarity in Google, and then you will have the option to create your own account. At this point, though, we're going to do a test project, and so we're going to create a new project for our website. We're not doing mobile apps in this video, and all you would have to do is say your company's website name, but I'm just going to say test company, and we're going to use Optimize Your Marketing's website. So I'm going to place this here, select Add New Project, and as you can see, it is extremely simple. It has detected our Google Tag Manager. If you haven't set up a Google Tag Manager on your website yet, be sure to check out the first video in this YouTube playlist series where we're installing all the free marketing software on your website. This Google Tag Manager is really important, so you'll need to set that up first, and then all you need to do is click Start Setup. So what you can do is you can simply select Connect Now, and you would sign in to your Google Workspace account or whatever account that your Google Tag Manager is set up on. It's going to access all of your containers. And so we're just going to select Optimize Marketing, and we are going to select our website. We're going to hit Create and Publish. And so this is going to place this on our website. Now, it says there was an issue while creating GTM tag. Please make sure there isn't another tag under the name Microsoft-Clarity. So we actually do have this already installed on our website. As you can see down here, this is in our Google Tag Manager, and we do have this Microsoft Clarity official installed. So that's preventing us from installing it. But if you didn't have that installed already, then this would go through, and simply put, it would say this is connected. As you can see, I'll go into our Optimize Your Marketing homepage. As you can see, we have data flowing in here. And if I go into settings, or I'm trying to find that exact screen on how to actually place the tag or where it shows to place the tag. But again, we've had this set up for a while now. So as you can see, it's firing and it has the data flowing. Let me see here, setup. All right, great. So this is the screen that you would actually see. Is it would say Google Tag Manager integration connected. So that would have worked if we didn't have it already installed. But again, we already have it installed on our website. So once you've done that, then your Microsoft Clarity tag will be ready to go in the next 48 hours. You'll start to see your recordings and your heat maps show up just like that. It's very awesome, easy, free tool to set up for your website, and it's going to give you qualitative and quantitative feedback. And you can actually link your Google Analytics in here so that you can have some cool dashboards to look at too. Please let me know if you have any questions, leave them as a comment. And I hope to hear from you soon in our next video. Thank you.